Hello, my name is Roberto. I go by Ditherbit, and welcome to how to download and install Ableton. Here you can see that I'm on the Ableton website, and very simply, we're going to choose what kind of operating system we're on. I'm on Mac. We're going to click download, and this is for the Ableton version that you are currently downloading. So I've gone ahead, click download. It's going to ask me where I want to put it in my file system. And I'll go ahead and hit save. Now, once this is downloaded, we'll want to go ahead and open our Ableton package. And the installation shall begin. There's our wizard. Let that just initialize. You just got to drag the icon into your applications folder, and your computer will go ahead and start doing the verification. Take this moment to let you guys know that there's all sorts of videos like this on my page, so please do take a gander, like and subscribe if you feel so inclined. And now that our package has been verified, we're going to go into our applications. We're going to open up Ableton. Open. There it is. It's just initializing. There is our Ableton. This is a stock template that I've made from before, but you'll find 2 audio tracks and 2 MIDI tracks within this file that you open up. And now, all you got to do is you got to go into settings and go over to hearing settings. You just got to go over to licenses, authorize at ableton.com. It'll bring you back to the website, in which you can just click authorize, and it is now authorized. That's all. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.